Welcome to From the Factory News. Today we will be discussing the latest luxury vehicle news, including BMW's most powerful vehicle ever, troubling news for Tesla, Bentley's newest limited edition vehicle, and much more. Before we get started, if you enjoy these types of videos, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Let's get started. BMW has officially revealed its most powerful vehicle ever, the 2024 XM Label Red. This comes on the heels of the standard XM being released a few weeks ago. The XM Label Red will have 738 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque, as well as a claimed 0 to 60 time of 3.7 seconds. The vehicle is expected to cost over $180,000 and will be built in the company's Spartanburg, South Carolina facility, and production starts in August. In other BMW news, the company has quietly revealed another variant of the XM, the XM50E. The XM50E is expected to be the entry-level XM and is rumored to be using the company's 6-cylinder engine instead of the V8 engine in the standard XM and XM Label Red. Pricing hasn't been announced, and it is also expected to start production in August, and as of right now, it appears that the vehicle will not be available in the US market. Bentley has unveiled the Continental GT Coupe and GTC Convertible Le Mans collection, an extremely limited collection of 48 vehicles created to mark the 100th year anniversary of the Le Mans race, as well as the company's 20th year anniversary of its 2003 victory at Le Mans. Each vehicle will be made by Bentley's Mulliner division and includes a piece of the winning car. They will be powered by the same 650 horsepower 6-liter W12 engine that is in Bentley's speed models. Pricing hasn't been announced, but they are sure to command a premium over the standard Continental GT Speed Coupe. Koenigsegg has teased its configurator for its upcoming $1.7 million Gemera hypercar. The Gemera is an upcoming 4-seat hypercar boasting 1,700 horsepower and is expected to reach a top speed of over 230 miles per hour. This will be the first time that Koenigsegg has released its online vehicle configurator to the public, as past access has been limited to prospective buyers. The Biden administration and the EPA have proposed its strictest and most ambitious emissions regulations in order to avoid billions of tons of CO2 emissions. The regulations could mean that the majority of vehicles sold in the U.S. would become electric. The stricter rules will affect model year 2027 through 2032 vehicles. Thankfully, the regulation will not ban internal combustion engines. The next step for the EPA in this process is to make the proposal available for public review and comment. Tesla has reached a new supercharger milestone, and it now has 45,000 charging stalls throughout the world. The company still dominates the EV charging landscape and is a big reason for the company's success. Also, Tesla is readying a big new software update for owners, which will include new features and UI upgrades. There is no timeline for the update, but hopefully it will be released soon. However, all is not well in the world of Tesla. A class action lawsuit has been filed against Tesla after it was reported that some Tesla employees have been sharing private videos of vehicle owners. The videos were apparently caught on Tesla's cameras used for its Sentry Mode and dash cam recordings. According to Tesla's own data privacy chart released earlier this year, these particular videos should not be accessible to employees. That's going to wrap up today's news. Leave comments below about everything we talked about here today. Are you impressed or unimpressed with BMW's latest flagship vehicle? Do you believe the EPA is going too far with these stricter rules? And with more and more manufacturers installing cameras in their vehicles, are you concerned for your privacy? Thanks for watching and have a great day.